Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to add backlink in this website step by step. So watch the full video. Firstly, check the DAP of the website. It has domain authority 69 and page authority 44. So it has high domain authority and page authority. You can see the website link here. You'll find more backlinks video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. To add backlink in this website, go to lookbook.nu. Then click on join in the right side. We need to create account. Then here give your first name, give your company name, then give email address, put a strong password. Then check this box, mail, then click on join, then choose any picture, click on next, then follow 4 people, click on fan, then click on done. They sent a verification email, so check your email, click on the link and verify it. Now your email is verified. You can see that your account has been activated. Now click in the right side, edit profile. Now scroll down. Here you can put your website URL. Copy your website URL and paste it here. You can also give blog URL here. Then click on Save Changes. Now scroll down. Here you can see the website link. This way you can add backlink in this website. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and check the other videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So check it out.